Hello everyone, in this video we will walk through how to call an Apex class from a data mapper in OmniStudio using custom metadata and the velocity.openInterface framework. Let's dive right in. First, let's create an Apex class that implements the velocity.openInterface. This interface enables you to route method calls dynamically based on the method name. In this example, I have created two simple methods. One is to trim the string and another one is to calculate its length. So as you can see, I have used .trim and .length method, and in the invoke method I have called that method name and call the same method. Remember, all logic must be accessible via invoke method function for OmniStudio to use it. Next, let's register the Apex method with custom metadata. So as you can see, this is a custom metadata list. From here you have to select function definition and click on manage records. I've already created trim and string length record under this custom metadata. I can open and show you. So as you can see, string length is just a label. It's up to you. You can write anything you want. And here's the class name that you have created. As you can see, I have added velocity utility method and the method name whatever I pass it in the invoke method. So when string length, so what I did, I passed the same method name here as well. So this is now the record that we have created under custom metadata types. So now let's save the record. Now OmniStudio can recognize your Apex logic. Now head over to OmniStudio and create a new data mapper. This is where you will use your Apex method. So let's jump to the data mapper. I've created this creative data mapper as a transform interface type. Over you can see I've called the string length and passed the test data here. So string length is the same label that I have created here. So I can use the same label as a method call and pass the test data same as trim. As you can see here in the custom metadata types, I have created trim record as well. So I pass the same trim label and call that method in the data mapper formula field and pass the test data, and result path is trim. So now I can transform that here, and if I go to the preview, so as you can see, this is a test data that I have passed in the formula field as well as an input parameters to this method. So this is as a string. So now if you can see here, I have extra spaces before and after at the end of the string. Now if I execute, it will trim the data and it will also return the count of the string. So as you can see, string trim testing period, but there is no extra space before and after. And string count, it has a total string count that is 13. So now this string count counts the empty space as well. You can see here it counts the empty space and the actual string, and then after that empty space. That is it. By following these steps, you can easily extend OmniStudio's functionality with custom Apex logic using velocity.openInterface pattern and custom metadata. This is a great way to bring advanced business rule into your declarative flows. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more Salesforce tutorials. See you next time.